Hilig mo bang mag-road trip? Na-enjoy mo ba ang adrenaline rush ng off-road adventure? Hanap mo rin ba ang sariwang simoy ng hangin tuwing bumabiyahe papunta sa iyong favorite rest and recreation destination? Kung oo, tiyak, swak sa lifestyle mo ang Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 2.0. Isa sa remarkable features ng Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 2.0 ang top-off o removable hardtop nito na talaga namang perfect for long drives.
And I quote from one of Taylor Swift's songs, "Wind in my hair, I was there, I remember it too well." Sorry, I cannot sing. I believe we will all feel the wind in our hair with the exciting experience on the wheels of Jeep Sahara.
Ayon ba kay LausGroup of Companies Vice President at Executive Director Carissa Laus, pwede ring i-customize ang sasakyan para mas maging swak sa iyong lifestyle and personality.
Ito kasi, when you try to buy a Jeep Wrangler, it actually speaks of yourself. No? Kapag bumili ka ng Wrangler, bibihisan mo, you suit it to your personality, and then you make moments together.
At hindi lang ang iba't ibang natural sceneries ang pwede mong pasyalan with the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 2.0. Perfect din ito para sa city driving.
Sa ating lugar sa Central Luzon, no, marami tayong mga lugar na pwede natin isama ang ating Jeep Wrangler. Tignan mo yung sa Pinatubo Trek, for example. But of course, that's not limited to that only. No? Ang mga ibang customers naman natin ginagamit for city driving. Like mine, I do it personally, I use it personally, and I use it for myself. And it's very comfortable, very safe when you use it in the streets.
Top choice din daw sa mga 4x4 aficionados ang Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara dahil sa mas pinagaan ang body nito.
Ito, pinagaan po yung body niya compare sa mga dating Jeep Wranglers natin. So, hindi siya underpower, hindi po siya, kaya po niya lahat ng terrain, obstacles terrain. Kasi it is 4x4 trail, it has a 4x4 trail rated badge.
Para sa mga nais ma-experience ang driving comfort ng sasakyan, pwede itong i-test drive sa Jeep Clark ng LausGroup of Companies.
Alright, we have test drive po November 14 and November 18 po here at Jeep Clark, Pampanga. And then experience the wind in your hair with its top-down or tops of Wrangler Sahara. And then this price starting is 5,290,000 with a cash discount of 200,000 po.
Paolo G. Santos, CLTV News.